So now we have the primary colors. So now I'm gonna look for the secondary colors. They're quite simple. So here in the middle we have bright yellow and bright red. With white. Great. And then we have deep red and deep yellow. Great. And the dark red and dark yellow. So, and then we have purple, so bright purple here. And deep purple. And the dark purple here. And the lines could be more visible, so it's easier to see, you know, what you're painting. Then we have green, bright green here. And deep green. And dark green.